Why you should never hold in a sneeze. Sneezing is the body's natural way of expelling irritants from the nose and protecting the respiratory system. But holding in a sneeze can be surprisingly dangerous. Medical research shows that suppressing a sneeze can cause small blood vessels in your eyes or even your brain to burst. When you try to stop a sneeze, the pressure that normally exits through your nasal passages is forced inward. This sudden increase in internal pressure can damage delicate blood vessels, leading to subconjunctival hemorrhages in the eyes, which appear as bright red patches, or more serious vascular injuries in rare cases. The risks aren't limited to the eyes. Suppressed sneezes can increase pressure in the brain, potentially causing headaches, dizziness, or even, in extreme cases, ruptured vessels. This highlights the importance of allowing your body to naturally release the force of a sneeze. Experts recommend sneezing into a tissue or the crook of your elbow to prevent spreading germs while avoiding the dangerous effects of suppression. Never pinch your nose or hold your mouth tightly shut while sneezing, as these methods dramatically increase internal pressure. This simple habit could prevent serious complications and maintain the health of your eyes, brain, and respiratory system. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out safely and naturally.